Chapter 18. Pollution of Air and Water. Water, a precious source of life. Water is a very useful and precious resource for sustaining life on earth. It is very essential for humans, animals, and plant life. We know that 70% of the earth is covered with water. Out of total water present on the earth, 97% of it is present in the oceans and seas, which is salty and is non-suitable for drinking purpose. The remaining 3% is fresh water. If we imagine that the total quantity of water on earth is bucketful, the fresh water is only 1 teaspoonful. The major portion, 79% of fresh water, is frozen in glaciers and ice caps. The 20% of fresh water is underground. Only 1% is left as rivers, lakes, streams, and wetlands. This water is called the surface water, on which we all depend on for most of our needs like drinking, washing, gardening, and cooking. As we all are aware about the essentiality of water for us, yet we disregard it by polluting our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Water pollution. See the given picture of Taj Mahal, a great, beautiful historical building of ancient time. You can see the image of it in the water of river Yamuna. Yes, of course. Now look at this image. It is possible to see a clear image of Taj in the river water? Certainly not. What is responsible for it? Yes, it is the foul-smelling polluted water of the river. Contamination of water with chemicals and other unwanted foreign materials that are detrimental to humans is called water pollution. Sources of water pollution. Water pollution is a matter of global concern because it is affecting each of us. Let us know about the sources of water pollution. Domestic sources. A lot of wastewater is generated from our homes. It is called domestic sewage, which runs down the drains of our home and finally drains off in the rivers. This contaminated water may contain germs of diseases like typhoid and cholera. Industrial sources. The chemicals released from industries like lead, fluorides, arsenic lead to toxicity in plants and animals. Often the factories and power plants use normal water to cool their machineries and release the hot water into the nearby water bodies. It heats up the water body, as a result of which most of the aquatic animals died. Agricultural sources. During the rainfall, large amount of chemical fertilizers and pesticides such as DDT get washed from the field and fall in the ponds and rivers. These washed off chemicals serve as nutrients for algae to flourish in the form of algal bloom. This is the algal bloom due to which a pond looks green from a distance. When the algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. These bacteria used up most of the oxygen dissolved in water, as a result of which fish and other aquatic animals die due to lack of oxygen in water. People bathe and wash clothes in the rivers and ponds. They also throw the dried flowers in plastic bags into the rivers. Due to high level of water pollution, many rivers died and the aquatic life cannot survive in them. Potable water. Water that can be used for drinking purpose is called potable water. The water that we get from the tap is an example of potable water. The water can be purified by boiling, sedimentation, activated carbon filtration, distillation, ultraviolet light, and reverse osmosis.